Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as 2-inch lift kit, as well as Goodyear all-terrain tires, integrated brake controller, Google Assistant, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and cup holder storage on the bottom. Speakers right next to it. Come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with a wooden chrome accent. Let's see the seats. You're going to have these heated cloth bucket seats. Pretty comfortable. Left side, you'll have your ventilation as well as your drive mode selector and your lighting control. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 matte black paddle shifters. Now with the odometer, as you can see, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise, and all that fun stuff, as well as audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start down there and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance, as well as you have built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa included. Wooden chrome accents, you're going to have lane keep assist and auto stop, as well as hill descent control. Below that, with your trailer brake controller, there's your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side there. And in the center, you can see the brand new shifter, the cup holders, wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC port. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. Wooden chrome all the way across, with speakers and vents up top, some storage. And then here you can access your reading lamps as well as your OnStar and SOS. We have these 20-inch blacked out wheels on Goodyear Territory tires. Comes equipped with the Z71 package and then the Duramax badging as well, with the black mirror caps and keyless entry door handles as well. You have the Trail Boss badging with the black corner step bumper, dual exhaust with your trailer hitch and fifth wheel on the bottom. You're gonna have the multi-flex tailgate as well, with the handle on the side, 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall charger, and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, more paneling and storage right next to the speakers. Power windows with the wooden chrome again. Back, pretty decent legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports. Storage down below, lamps up top, and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, equipped with a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as a 2-inch lift kit, Google Assistant and Maps, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.